Good afternoon, judges. My name is S. Purti, studying in Balayesu High School, a remote village in Jayanagam district of Telangana. My project name is Eco-Friendly Home with Self-Cooling Solar Roof Tiles and Waterless Urinal. I have made two extensive studies during Corona pandemic. One is low solar usage in India and found that low utilization of solar panels is due to requirement of technical person for installation, maintenance a costly solution which is not affordable to common man. I have come up with a solution that is low cost, maintenance free and no need technical person. After success of my project, I wanted to start a startup company based on this project. Second is problem of lack of public urinals and even where they are available, low utilization due to heavy foul smell emanating from them. People prefer to use open places instead of them. Eco-friendly home with self-cooling solar roof tiles. My roof tiles are made from local available mud on which solar panels are embedded with glue. I am doing away from aluminium, costly installation of industrialization of manufacturing and need of technical person. My solution is highly affordable and encourages higher solar installation. Some of the problems of solar panels is low power generation is due to accumulation of dust, requires cleaning and high panel temperature. In my solution, we just pour water on tiles. Since they are slanted, all the tiles are cleaned at once. Water filling perforations every day also cleans the solar panels, removing the dirt on them so that maximum power is generated. Furthermore, tiny perforations on the tiles stores water and keeps the panels cool. My system requires just plug in using simple hand using a connector, so on technically complex installation is simplified. We have connected solar panels in parallel combination to maintain constant voltage and increased current per each tile added. The solar panels are collecting saving the solar energy in panels and converting to electric energy. When we connect the solar panels to fan, the fan is rotating. When we connect the solar energy to LED lights, the lights are on. Advantages of solar roof tiles are: solar roof tiles are an excellent source of renewable energy for regions with high solar residence. These tiles are attractive. These tiles are pollution free. When we use these reduce electricity bills. These are less expensive when compared to traditional commercial solar panels. These tiles are self-cooling. Traditional urinals require water and drainage pipelines. In my solution, for installation, no water is required, so it can be installed anywhere in country. Also, drainage pipelines is not required in my solution. The urine is collected into tank and part of it is made to flow to plants beside. The plants beside the urinals keeps the surrounding clean and green. My solution has specialized value arrangement. When the person steps in the floor, the value is open. A lever arrangement with spring is added to the floor due to weight of the person. The value is opened while urinating. It is sent to the tank and when the person steps out, the value is closed and prevents the fuel smell comes from the tank. Goa to replace traditional clay tiles with solar ones. State Energy Minister Nilesh Kabral says householders will be offered the chance to reduce energy bills without any upfront cost by leasing roof space to installers as part of the plans to add 15 megawatts of solar capacity in Goa by March. I have developed the solar roof tiles with solar panels embedded into them. The tiles are easy come install. Unlike traditional solar panels, which require expert technician, any ordinary person just has to place the tile on the roof and press to the connector. That's all. The installation is simplified for an end user. Another noteworthy feature of these solar roof tiles is that it has small perforations on tiles which stores water poured onto them during rainy season or manually filled. These perforations helps water evaporate when external temperature increases and cools the surface beneath the solar panels. The use of aluminum and other chemicals are avoided in this method, which cause pollution. Instead, we use earthen material for the base and cools the surface beneath the solar panels. These tiles cost less compared to traditional commercial solar panels. The effect of temperature on the four characteristics of a solar cell. The open circuit voltage decreases with temperature because of the temperature dependence of I0. The equation of I0 from one side of PN junction is given by I0 equal to QA into dNi square per LND, where Q is the electronic charge, A is the area, D is the diffusivity of the magnetic, L is the magnetic carrier diffusion length, Nd is doping, Ni is the intrinsic carrier concentration. Observation of waterless urinals. As part of the experiment, we have connected the waterless urinals in our school and observed that due to low fuel, the small children are queue up in front of our design urinal. Applications in day-to-day life. Used for remote village houses as well as urban houses. Useful for industrial sheds since it reduces the temperature of the surroundings and increase the productivity of the men working under the floor or roof. Weight of the building is also reduced. Materials used: clay tiles, water solar panels, wood, screws, LED lights, motor, plastic fan blade, wood wrappers, wooden planks, paper, glue, etc. From my project, finally I conclude that eco solar panels are costless and efficient in arrangement. Hence, compared to traditional solar panels, hence adaptable for large scale use. Waterless urinals are widely accepted, hence should be encouraged in less maintenance staffs like schools in rural areas. Thank you for